We're walking down now through the assembly line of the Dongfang Liuzhou factory, where they're putting together a whole bunch of four-thing cars. We're gonna get the opportunity to learn from the engineers how to attach a logo.
Wow, this guy's a professional.
Look, I'll be honest with you. If you're out on the road and you see one of these cars with like a logo that's a little sideways, it was probably us. I don't think it was from the engineers, so you can't blame them for that.
We've been challenged to hit it straight. The idea is that we're gonna try and put the logo onto the car nice and straight, just like the professional engineers. If we get it right, we get 1 mile. If we get it wrong, well, you'll just have to stick around and see. All right, so let's give it a try, huh? They've given us this, which we use to straighten it. We pop it in there, and now we have a straight area. We'll attach it there, like that. Okay. We take our logo as straight as we can. We move it on, and then we pull it off. Ah, you like that? Is that straight or what? I hope so. If you run across one of these on the road with a crooked logo, it's definitely me, all right? Don't blame the company. We take our second one here now. This is the U-Tour. Correctly. U-Tour. Is that right? U-Tour. Okay. And I rip it off. We remove. Okay? Did I pass?
Yes.
Yes! That is a success! A straight logo on a car. I have a future in automotive engineering, I'll tell you that. Who's next?
Okay, today we're at a four-thing assembly department. Let's see if we can do it and hit it right from the first chance.
Yeah,
let's go.
So.
你问我啊？你的这里没有做这个防护，然后这里还是挖的，整体还是挖的。我跟你们这里。Nope.
Good. So
we did it right?
Yes.
Yes, we did it right.